morning. Just set off to head up Snowdon. I'm so excited. It's an absolutely beautiful day. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the sun's out. It's so beautiful. I'm quite chilly. I slept in the car last night and I was a bit cold and I've just not really been able to warm up yet, so I've got lots of layers on at the minute, but I will, I'm sure, probably stop very soon to take them off. But yeah, so excited. So heading up the walking path to the top today, which is a path I've not done before, and then come down a slightly different way, weather depending. Hopefully the weather will be fine. Show you where we are. It's beautiful. Yr Wyddfa is the highest mountain in Wales, standing at 3,560 feet or 1,085 metres above sea level. She towers commandingly over the landscape. Yr Wyddfa is steeped in legend. The name translates to burial mound or tomb, and is believed to be the resting place of the great giant Eryri, who was slain by King Arthur in a great battle many years ago. I made a mistake, guys. I left my sun cream in the car and it's actually so hot now. I'm hoping that when I get near the top it won't be as hot, so I can put something on to cover my shoulders, but I'm so hot now I couldn't hike any further with all those layers on, even just a t-shirt, so bit of an error. Never mind, got my bucket hat out though. It'll probably blow off my head because it doesn't fit me very well. Oh wow. Please. So cute. This mountain had been calling me back for a while. The last time, the first and only other time I had ascended her wild, rugged peaks, had been a very different story. Wind and rain had battered hard all day, seeping through to my skin and creating puddles in my boots. The going was treacherous, ascending, scrambling over rocks, barely able to see more than a few feet in front. It was a case of determination and grit to reach her exposed summit. Clinging onto the summit cairn to avoid being blown off into the abyss.
This day couldn't have been more different. A beautiful, clear blue sky and the warmth of the sun burning away the last remnants of a long winter, glinting off the rocks, sparkling, filling my heart with promise and possibility.
I think I'm going to have to deploy the poles in a minute. Oh gosh, this is tough. Loving it though. Love being out. Love being in the mountains. Oh, it's beautiful. Stunning. Just stop for a little pit stop. So beautiful. I'm so glad I did this. I'm so glad I did this. I can't wait to get to the top.
The walking was tough in the spring heat, but I kept going, spurred on by awesome views of jagged ridges, a vast panorama almost appearing like waves on a volatile sea.
I can see the summit now. Yay! I'm really enjoying this path. I actually think it's better than the pig track. To be honest, when I did the pig track and the miners track, it was horrific weather, so can't really compare. You don't need me huffing and puffing. Nearly there. I've walked all the way up there, and now I've got to go up there. Need to put my poles away because it's a bit of scrambling now. Oh wow, what a day! What a day! So the wind's died down a little bit now. I summited which was so lovely. It's so windy up there, but it's beautiful and you can see for miles, which makes such a difference to the last time I was here. I'm heading down a really nice path now, which is going all the way over a ridge. Really excited for this one. I was a bit gutted because the coffee shop was shut. I mean, it's a little bit odd that a mountain has a shop at the top anyway, but I was kind of wanting a coffee. Never mind. I'm not mad about it. Not with these views.
Quite comparable to the feeling of summiting a mountain. The relentless ascent, pushing, heart pounding, sweat dripping, lungs full to capacity. The movement of muscle and bone. Simple human power. The sense of achievement at reaching the top. A lot of the time, you don't even get to enjoy a view. Mountain summits are often covered in cloud, with weather systems moving in quickly and changing a summer's day into a stormy battle. So when Mother Nature is kind, like she was this day, it is a truly precious gift.
Just having a rest for a moment, resting my weary little legs. My knees are killing me. I don't understand how I can struggle so much with my knees. I find it so hard on my knees going downhill. Beautiful day. There's the summit up there, and then forwards all the way along this ridge and all the way down here. Nearly at the end now, I think. I am tired.
After hiking all day in the baking heat, my aching body was desperate for some cold water. And sure enough, as she always does, Mother Nature provided me with just what I needed. The most beautiful pool of icy blue. I sank in, soaking off the day, refreshed, revived, the story rewritten, a new tale to tell. The perfect conclusion to the perfect day.
Well, you know me, guys. I saw a waterfall and I had to go in it. Oh, it was so pretty. The water was so cold. Oh, that felt amazing. Honestly, really, really cold water, but not anywhere near as cold as when I was in the lakes the other week. So it's definitely getting warmer. It just felt so nice. Don't need a shower now. Oh wow, look at that. It's just incredible. I can't believe what time it is. I've been out all day, but it was worth it. Amazing. Can't wait for some food. I'm hungry.
Come back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye can see. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my arms, a place that you can call your home.
Hello. Just walking down to the end again now. Nearly back at the car. Oh, that was so lovely. Really, really enjoyed that. Had the most beautiful walk today. Finished off with a nice dip in a waterfall. Absolutely perfect. I'm so glad I got to do that again. I feel like I've finally finished my business of climbing Snowdon, because yeah, I really needed to do it in the sun. So I'm very lucky with the weather. I need to figure out now where I'm going to stay tonight and what I'm going to do, but just get back to the car and regroup and then I'll figure it out. But yeah, as far as my Snowdon vlog goes, I think I'll end it here. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, leave no trace, and I will see you on the next one.